Hi everyone, my name is David, and I'm excited to show you the latest advancements and integration for Nigel AI in InstrumentStudio 2026 Q3. I'm going to be showing you how Nigel AI can help you find information faster, configure your hardware faster, and maximize your usage of InstrumentStudio. InstrumentStudio is our configuration-based software for NI-PXI instruments. I'm going to be walking you through a workflow from assignment to setting up our hardware with InstrumentStudio. Let's say, for example, I'm an engineer and I've been given the task to conduct a filter test on a green board. I might want to find some information on the hardware that I need, some best practices, and more. This is a great place to engage Nigel. So let's go ahead and ask. I need to measure a filter test on a green board. What hardware should I use and what are some best practices? Nigel is our AI, built on the latest industry models and enhanced with our 50 years of test and measurement expertise. We've taught Nigel extensively about test system design and test methodologies, so you can get reliable, expert information quickly. Additionally, because it's integrated into our platform, Nigel knows what we have connected to our system and can help us with designing a test system with what we already have available. This is something that's really helpful. Here, I'm being given some information on some sort of hardware, how I would conduct this measurement, and some best practices. Again, really helpful for helping me advance my project. Now, I know a little bit more about this measurement, and I have an oscilloscope right here, but I might want to review some specifications or see the pinout. And I'm going to ask Nigel for help again. I know this is something that's going to save engineers a lot of time. No more digging through manuals. It'll be really nice. And additionally, because Nigel's integrated into my system, it knows what I'm talking about when I say my scope. I don't have to tell it a PXI 5153. It just knows. And if I had more, like in an 18-slot PXI chassis, that would save me a lot of time. So here, I'm given some more information, which is, again, really helpful for helping me move on. And it's applying this knowledge to my filter test, so I know exactly what I need. Again, because Nigel knows about my project and the applications, it's telling me relevant information for this exact measurement. All right, so I know more about my measurement and my hardware. Now, if I'm new to InstrumentStudio, I might not be sure how to use it or want some additional advice, like let's say for exporting a configuration to test stand or how to debug a measurement while it's running in LabVIEW. This is another great place to engage with Nigel. So let's ask Nigel for help. And again, because Nigel's integrated into InstrumentStudio and has access to our documentation, it can provide me with relevant, reliable information quickly. And so here, it's telling me how to do it and then providing additional resources so I can learn more. Get a dedicated InstrumentStudio expert at your side with Nigel AI.